I bought a pair of Jordan 1s from eBay for a steal. This sneaker actually was less money than StockX. StockX is usually, as we all know, the market for sneakers. We all go on our phones and pull out StockX or GOAT to check prices on sneakers when we're both buying and selling. I got this sneaker for about $50 to $60. I can't remember the exact total, but it was about $50 to $60 less than I would pay on StockX. And guys, I got it from eBay. I did open up the package already. It is a pair of Jordan 1s. I'm excited to take a look at this pair of Jordan 1s. This is a pair of Jordan 1s, guys, that honestly, what the hell happened to resell? Like, it's insane. What happened? Straight up, what happened? I believe this sneaker released in 2019. It resold in the beginning when it first dropped for about $1,000. I wound up copying this sneaker for retail. I sold it for about $1,000, and resale just plummeted. Like, what in the world happened to this Jordan 1? I don't understand. Other colorways of this sneaker are reselling for crazy money with similar materials. It doesn't make sense. It's crazy. It's absolutely insane. Enough talking. Let's get into the shoe. If you guys love sneakers and you guys are new here and you have not subscribed, make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Get this video up to 500 likes. Stay tuned. Later on in the video, I will tell you guys about a sneaker giveaway that's going on over on my Instagram. So make sure you guys give me a follow on Instagram. Got these from eBay. eBay, authentic guarantee. Meet your soulmates at the top. I like their little slogan there. That's cool. Pull these out. Have not taken a look at these yet. I'm excited. Let's see what we got. So, did get a pair size 12. You do have the eBay sticker right here. What's this other sticker? Soul Supremacy. Shout out to Soul Supremacy. This is not from Soul Supremacy, but I guess the person that sold the shoe on eBay, I guess they bought them from Soul Supremacy. So that's awesome to see. Got the eBay sticker, size tag, all that. Size 12. Why a size 12? Well, this is a woman's release, which means this is a size 10.5 in men, which I am a 10.5 or an 11 in men. This sneaker will fit me. I have picked up recently another pair of women's Jordan 1s, the UNC to Chicago, the leather pair. My parents got me for Christmas. So I've been copping some women's exclusives lately. Let's see what we got. This pair of Jordan 1s, man, like I said, what in the world happened to resell? Let's open these up and let's see what we got. Alright, so we got the eBay card right here, authentic without a doubt. All that information, cool to see. And let's take a look. I want to tell you guys about the giveaway that's going on over on my Instagram for the Jordan 1 Court Purple 2.0. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit that thumbs up, leave a comment down below in the comment section, and at the end of your comment, leave your Instagram, your email, just a way for me to get in contact with you. Then make sure you guys go over to my Instagram, give me a follow. You'll see a post, my most recent post, me holding this pair of the Court Purple Jordan 1s. On that post, just like the post, tag 2 friends. Subscribe to Tim TV here on YouTube as well. Give him a follow over on Instagram. Make sure you guys leave a comment on that post, and you are entered. Good luck. All the giveaway details I will be linking down below in the description. Get your entries in for the Court Purple Jordan 1s. Wow. Right here we have the satin black toe Air Jordan 1 woman's exclusive. And yes, there it is. They do have the eBay tag right there. This does scan. Wow. I love this sneaker. I love them. They're fire. They're absolutely clean. When they did drop, I believe they dropped in 2019. When they dropped, I got lucky. I copped a pair for retail. However, I believe it was a size 8.5 women's, I believe is the size I copped, which is a 7, not my 10.5 or an 11. So I had to go ahead and sell them. I let them go when they first dropped. I believe I sold them for like $1,000. They're not worth no $1,000 no more. This sneaker plummeted in resale. What happened, guys? What happened? If you have any idea, Let me know down below. Is it the satin material? People don't care for the satin? Is that what it is? I don't understand, because if you take a look at the royal satins, the bread satins, those are thousands and thousands of dollars each. 2, 3, 4 grand each, depending on size. Why? I don't understand. Why are these, like, less than $450? I don't understand resale on this one. Crazy. This is a sneaker I thought would have definitely gone up in price, especially by now. I didn't think that they were gonna go from 1,000 to what, under 450 at the max. 450. That's crazy. Absolutely insane. This video is sponsored by Sole Premise. Sole Premise has amazing high quality bags for sneakerheads when they travel. Make sure you guys click my link down below in the description. Check out solepremise.com. And make sure you use my discount code, Danny Moore. My name, Danny Moore, will save you 40% off of your order. This right here is the Sole Premise commuter bag. It does hold 2 to 4 pairs of sneakers, as well as a bunch of clothing and everything like that, man. This is a very, very dope bag. Right here, you got a bunch of zippers in the front as well. I highly recommend checking out Sole Premise. I love their bags. It's the only bag I use with me when I travel. Make sure you guys check out Sole Premise. The link is down below in the description. Thank you, Sole Premise, for sponsoring today's video. So this shoe right here on StockX, I believe, is roughly $430, $440, something like that. I paid on eBay $400 shipped, flat, everything. $400. This sneaker right here with its authentic check to verify that they are real, which is awesome. $400 for a dead stock pair of these with the legit check included. Hey, I'll take that. That is awesome. 10.5 men's. I mean, that's a steal, guys. I think, in my opinion, I will definitely take that. This will definitely be a personal pair. I'm excited to rock these. Details on these sneakers are really, really dope. You do have the satin on the back. All the red on the back is satin. The Wings logo is black, but it is like protruding out. It is metal. Actually, a piece of metal there for the Wings logo. The black and white leather is very, very soft to the touch. Very nice quality leather used on this sneaker. Nike Air on the tongue. The tongue, for some reason, does have a slight blue tint to it. That's something I do notice. It's not white, completely white like the rest of the shoe, like the white leather. It does have a slight blue tint to it. Sock liner is that satin material as well. And on the back collar, you do have some black leather. White midsole and a red bottom. This is a very clean sneaker. The black toe color blocking, the black toe Jordan 1, honestly, just with red satin material on the back, that does have a very nice shiny effect to it. This is a dope sneaker. Nike branding. I love this sneaker. A must cop for me, and one sneaker I'm excited to wear. This is one Air Jordan 1 I'll be adding to my sneaker collection. I'm very excited for this one, man. These are definitely a must cop. $400, pretty solid price for a dead stock pair. Can't wait to rock them. These are clean. I do think eventually they will go up in price. Eventually. Will they hit 1,000 again? Probably not. But they might eventually crawl up in price. Eventually. Not one I'm going to tell you to invest in, because they just plummeted in price. This is a sneaker I personally know some people that took a huge L buying this sneaker for resale when it dropped. They invested, and resale just plummeted like crazy. Thank you, eBay, for a really good deal, guys. This video is not sponsored, but I'm going to tell you, check out eBay, check out StockX, check out GOAT, check out the platforms, and see which one has the best price, and honestly shop from there. Let me know what you guys think about the black toe women's satin exclusive Air Jordan 1s down below in the comments. Do you guys own this sneaker? Was this a must cop for you? Let me know down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys join the Moore family. Hit that subscribe button, smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.